What if we told you? The future is now. Robots are replacing combat soldiers. Unnecessary casualties are becoming part of the past. Minimizing collateral damage and uninvolved casualties. Duke Robotics presents TCAD, the future soldier. With TCAD, the future battlefield has arrived. A fully robotic battalion, capable of identification and surgical neutralization of hostiles in the field, can now be deployed to places human soldiers can't reach, or simply shouldn't have to go. TCAD is able to adjust for the right place and time. The TCAD robot is designed to identify, target, and engage in real-life scenarios. TCAD takes the full recoil of the weapon discharge, compensates for its force, and quickly readjusts to stay on target and in the fight. Drone 17. Over the next several years, the military robotic and drone sector will continue to lead all other sectors in drone spending. TCAD, the robot that will transform the way conflicts are being solved.
The hummingbird is a unique character in itself. It's the only bird that can fly backwards in sustained flight. And like the hummingbird, our hummingbird is a true VTOL aircraft. It can vertically take off and land, and is an autonomous system as well. The uniqueness is we took a standard ducted fan and we put in the periphery a multi-rotor system. That provides a very key element in stability and enhanced lift capacity. The moment and arm of the outboard rotors provides tremendous stability. And the enhanced lift capacity means we carry more fuel and more payload. And these are the two key aspects of UAVs in today's market. You need to fly a long time, you need to carry a long. This is actually the first serial number off the assembly line. We've gone through 3 years of iterations of pre-production and testing. This is the final version. We will go through final product test over the next 90 days using our COA that we anticipate approval within about a month and a half. Following this, the aircraft is scalable, which means we can increase the size and enjoy additional lift capacity and duration. So the next version, which we anticipate displaying here next year, will allow us to fly in excess of 6, closer to 8 hours of flight duration with a 75-pound payload capacity. The opportunities for this aircraft, because of its VTOL capability, we can lift it to altitude, park it, leave it in position, and do a perch and but the applications we're really looking at this year are precision agriculture, power and pipeline inspections, emergency services, fire, floods, etc. And then the last one would be delivery services. So we can take with a 50-pound down to a 20-pound payload. That's a lot of penicillin or water purification tablets. And so the humanitarian opportunities for this product are basically limitless, where we can fly autonomously, stop, lower, land, drop off medical supplies or whatever, and then take off and go to the next location. With a 300 to 400 mile range capacity, that's a big delivery circumference.
We're explorers. We're creating the tools to inspire a whole new generation of filmmakers. The first word that comes to mind is dependable. It's capable, agile. Every detail has a purpose. Every ounce saved increases performance and removes barriers. Vault is up, heading to position 1. At the heart, it's got a Synapse flight control. Intelligence with purpose, giving pilots exquisite control. All are tools. They have an honesty in engineering, a sense of design simplicity, functionality. You feel the power, the control, the agility. Every aspect of this machine understands your needs. To free fly, stabilization was the building block for movement. Movement leads inevitably to flight. Introducing the Alta 8.